Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to do a live try of the Pai Do. To make this drink, we're going to start with honey papaya nectar. Now, I do make this honey papaya nectar. It is a new recipe based off of the honey melon recipe from the 12 bottle bar. Recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. I'm going to put 2 ounces of this, or 60 milliliters, into my shaker. And I guess we only get one go at this. Next, 1.5 ounces of your amber rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Finally, some bitters. The original I Do recipe called for Angostura bitters. I'm going to try Jamaican No. 1 from Bitter Cube. 1 dash, or in this case, I'm going to put in 3 drops. Next, we're going to add some ice and give it a shake. I'm going to double strain this into my coupe. It is a beautiful color. This may take a moment. I'll be with you in a moment. And it's at this point that I give up on the double straining. And that's even a prettier color. As for garnish, the original I Do recipe called for a rose petal, I believe. I'm going to drink it without a garnish. Wish me luck. That's not bad. It's actually very refreshing. The rum comes through nicely, the Jamaican bitters give it a little bit of spice, and the papaya creates this refreshing flavor that underlies it all. So I'm going to call this a thumbs up. So there you have it, Pai Do. Drink with good spirits.